Hello and welcome back to NEET Decoded. Hope you have gone through the explanation of the previous videos in the NEET MCQ series, and in this video a new question will be discussed. So let's start. The question is, match the following concerning essential elements and their functions in plants. In column 1 we have A iron, B zinc, C boron, D manganese. In column 2 we have 1 photolysis of water, 2 pollen germination, 3 required for chlorophyll biosynthesis, and 4 indole acetic acid biosynthesis. So the options have been organized as 1, 2, 3, 4. You have to select from these 4 options. Fine. So deficiency of iron causes degeneration of chloroplast and leads to chlorosis, which is yellowing of leaves. You can see here in this picture how leaves have become yellow due to deficiency of iron in soil. Now, iron is required for chlorophyll biosynthesis. You can see the biosynthetic pathway of chlorophyll. Nitrogen is used for chlorophyll synthesis, and in between the steps, iron is required. So iron is essential for chlorophyll biosynthesis. And moving on to the next mineral, which is zinc. And zinc is used for formation of the oxin indole acetic acid. Now, zinc is required for synthesis of the amino acid tryptophan, which is important for biosynthesis of indole acetic acid. You see, this is tryptophan, and zinc is required for synthesis of this compound, this amino acid basically. And from this, indole acetic acid is synthesized. So zinc is important that way. Next is boron. Now, boron is essential for pollen germination. It has an important role to play in pollen germination. You can see here how pollen tube is coming out from the exine after breaking the intine, right? So boron essentially affects the germination of pollen, and under boron deficient conditions, what happens that fruit, seed, and nut formation is affected. And boron basically helps in movement of sugar into growing parts of the plant, right? So you can see how boron is affecting pollination. These are the functions of boron. Besides pollination, it also affects various other functions. You can see here flower production, anther formation, pollen tube growth. These are all parts of pollen germination basically, related to pollen germination, right? Okay. Now, photolysis or splitting of water molecule during photosystem 2 is catalyzed by manganese, right? This is the light reaction of photosynthesis, which comprises of photosystem 1 and photosystem 2, involving different chlorophyll molecules which absorb light, right? So during splitting of water molecule, that is, water is splitted into oxygen and hydrogen ions, manganese is required. You can see here it is required during the photosystem 2 of light phase of photosynthesis. So the correct option is option number 3, that is iron required for chlorophyll biosynthesis, zinc for indole acetic acid biosynthesis, boron for pollen germination, and manganese for photolysis of water. Please like, share, and subscribe to my channel for regular updates on biology content. And thanks for watching.